Part 2. Patience. How do you get a photo without setting it up? One of the defining principles of photojournalism is taking real photos. This means without setting up your shot. For example, if you're going to take a photo of a family member and you want to capture a moment that will really tell a story, it might mean waiting. You can be waiting while looking through the camera, or you can be waiting while holding the camera in your hand. It can be waiting 5 minutes or all day. But if you really want to get something special, you don't want to control what you are shooting. You want to be a bystander that is just observing. Good photojournalists can be waiting and searching for a photograph for an unlimited amount of time, knowing that that special split second can only be captured by waiting, observing, and being patient. Looking back on photos I have taken as a photojournalist, they all included patience. I was awarded Time Magazine's Photo of the Year for my photo of Monica Lewinsky. Most photographers ran up and took a photo of her, which resulted in most photos looking similar. I just waited by her car for that one split second where I knew she would be surrounded by photographers while she was trying to get away from them. You don't have to be shooting for Time Magazine to be patient. You can wait for that perfect moment with the sunset, or that smile that is unique to that person you know.